So this series does not require any of the underground wire that you used to have to run with the older versions. And really, that was the only reason why we haven't gotten into them yet, because I didn't want to have to buy special equipment to run and pull cable underground or lay cable on top of the grass and you see it every time you walk by it. This uses EPOS technology, which ties into the satellite, gives you an EPOS station, which stands for Exact Positioning Operating System. And it takes that long distance and corrects it down to less than a couple of inches of accuracy.